Well, g'day guys. Well, look, I'm no travel vlogger, but I'm a mad plane spotter. And look, we did the 747 cafe, and now we're doing something a little bit different. We're still in Bangkok. We're just in the, we're on the western side of Bangkok this time. We're gonna go and check out another aircraft. We're gonna check out an L-1011, and they've turned it into a fine dining restaurant. And it's just behind me, but we'll go and check it out now. I apologise, no fancy editing or anything like that, but we are going to go and have a look. We're going to go for a bit of a wander around it. I'll tell you a little bit about it and why you should come here if you're ever in Bangkok. So let's go and check it out. Alright, so hidden behind all these trees here, I'm just out of the way, so it's not too noisy. But what we've got a 1974 Lockheed L-1011. You can see the nose wheel. We're basically right under the flight deck at the moment. It was delivered in 1974 to Delta, stored in Victorville in California in 1999, and then was picked up by Thai Sky Airlines, based here in Bangkok in 2005. They only operated for about a year. They focused on Bangkok to Hong Kong with tour groups. They also served Kuala Lumpur as well with the L-1011. And it was an all-economy 343-seat aircraft in a 242 configuration at the front and a 252 configuration in the back. And we'll check it out a little bit. We'll go for a bit of a wander around it. But unfortunately, they've removed the engines off the aircraft as well. It had 3 RB211 engines. And the former registration was Hotel Sierra Alpha X-Ray Echo, and we'll check that out a little bit later on. Alright, so we're underneath the aircraft now, just checking out basically the, how well it's been restored. And I mean, for a very old aircraft, it was, a 1974 build. She's in not too bad shape. Obviously missing a lot of pieces, a lot of equipment and all that sort of stuff. That was how the aircraft actually got grounded with Thai Sky Airlines. There was just not enough parts of the L-1011. They were one of the last operators, apart from the Stargazer, to operate the L-1011 in passenger service, and that's what ultimately brought them down. They did end up operating a 747 Classic as well, an ex-KLM 747-200 stretched upper deck, but unfortunately the airline only lasted just under a year. Let's go for a bit of a more walk around, and we'll check out what we can see. So that's going to wrap it up for this one, folks. If you want to come here, it's called the Na-O restaurant. It's a fine dining restaurant here at the Chang Chui markets. And you can just Google that. I'll leave the link in the description to where it is, all that sort of stuff down below. We'll take care of you, don't worry about that. I'm going to leave you with a few little snippets of what's sort of happening around this place and why it's such a feature around this part of Bangkok. And also, obviously, the restaurant isn't open. It opens at 5:30 p.m. We're here a little bit early just with the kids and stuff. But I'm going to also leave some photos from their socials with full credit to what you can expect if you do want to eat here. But yeah, anyway, folks, that's it from me. It's Tim from SydSquad, and yeah, leave us a like and sub to the channel if you enjoy it, folks. And yeah, here it is, the beautiful Lockheed L-1011 of Thai Sky Airlines. Anyway, folks, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.